Hi, I'm Chris from Sprint Innovations, and I want to talk to you about Excel. In business, it's incredibly popular, and it's popular because it's so powerful and versatile. However, there becomes a point where most businesses will outgrow Excel, and managing multiple spreadsheets becomes an impossible task. And then business owners face a choice: to find some off-the-shelf software that will meet their needs, or to build some bespoke software specifically for their business. Now, the problem with option one is that often you're fitting a square peg in a round hole, and you have to mold your business around what the software is capable of doing. However, if you build some bespoke software, the technology is molded around your business and there are no compromises. One of the problems with off-the-shelf software is that your competitors are likely using the same, and that means in a head-to-head situation such as a pitch, you have no real USP advantage over your competitors. However, if you build some bespoke software just for your business, you immediately gain that competitive advantage. Your business becomes more valuable, and you haven't had to mold your business around what some existing software is capable of. You've been able to think outside the box and implement some really market-leading features. So that's why a bespoke system is way better than using off-the-shelf once you've outgrown Excel. If you're interested in understanding what a bespoke solution could look like for your business, then please get in touch. We'd be happy to help. Thank you.